So, it's AirPods time. Let's get them opened up, get them checked out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So, got the AirPods 3 here today. Received them today, ordered them on launch day, straight after the event. And Apple, as per usual, flawless delivery. Cannot fault it whatsoever. Bingo. Let's get a wee look at these bad boys. No plastic on the box. Just paper everywhere. Designed in Apple, California. Paperwork. No stickers. Not sure if that's important to anybody, but no stickers. Ooh, and there we go. AirPods. So the case is in the same style as the AirPods Pro case, but it's definitely smaller. It's not as wide. I am really struggling to get this open. Child-proof locks. There we go. We're sucking diesel now. What? What's this? Oh wait. Oh, hold on. Ah, there we go. I was just about to say, where's the cable? There we go. And it is a USB-C to Lightning. Shock. I don't even need to use this. I have cables everywhere. So, let's get a look. There we go. Obviously, they've molded the style of these pods to resemble the look of the AirPods Pro. However, the more I'm looking at these, the design definitely, just looking at the pod itself, the design definitely only resembles it from the stem. The head of it is completely different. It is just pretty much a similar design to the original pod, if I'm being truthfully honest. Which is quite interesting. But it's okay, have no fear, because I have them all here to compare. So let me just get them. Here we are. So, we have the original AirPods and the AirPods 3, and then we have AirPods Pro. So let's just have a look. Wow, there is a pretty big difference there. So if you look at the size of the earpiece for the original AirPod, you can notice that when you hold it up, it is the same design, but it is a lot bigger. It's a good bit thicker, as I'm sure you can see. But it still has that sort of design where this bit sort of loops into your ear canal to sort of hold it in place, you know, so that negates the need for the ear tips. And if we compare that then to the AirPod Pro, you can see from the back, you can see the shape there's a good bit of difference there in the shape, you know, which is good to know. Interesting. Let's get them tested out and see what they are like compared to the others. I was going to say to its brothers and sisters, but let's be honest, mummy and daddy. I think AirPods and AirPods Pro have got together and they've had a baby. But yeah, there we go. AirPods, connect. If you've used AirPods before, there's nothing different here at all. You connect up in the same way. So you can see there, it's just saying about media controls. Similar to AirPods Pro, your controls will be the click of the stems. So if you double click to skip next, triple click to skip backwards, single click to pause. I think if you click and hold, you'll get Siri. Hey Siri works with these as well, which is pretty good. So, and there we go. Lovely. So let's get them tried out and see what they fit like. Oh wow. Wow, that's snug. These feel very, very snug. Now, I will say that they noticeably do feel bigger in my ear than the normal AirPods would. Wow. I'm really, really surprised just how snug that these fit inside my ears. I know the fitment of AirPods is pretty much a subjective point of view. Everybody's ear canals are different. Some people it suits and some people it doesn't. Personally, I never had an issue with AirPods or AirPods Pro. I personally prefer the fit of AirPods Pro. I prefer the tips in my ears. But what I do notice with these straight away, coming from using AirPods Pro, the silicone tips, because they go into my ear, the pod itself doesn't go that far into my ear. So I always kind of feel like AirPods Pro are sitting protruded a little bit outside of my ears. Whereas I've put these in, and these are literally just sitting snug in my ears. Just wondering, can you see that okay on camera? And they're not moving. I'm really surprised. Wow. Yeah, all the clicks work. I will say now, one of the things I do miss from the original AirPods is I do miss the tap, the skip. I really do miss that, and when I occasionally go back to using normal AirPods, I love it. I love just the tap on the pod and being able to skip. I wish that was an issue. I wish that was a feature that Apple kept on the AirPods Pro. I do like the click. Sometimes I don't click it enough and then end up pausing a track. Now, I don't think it's an issue with the buds. It's more a me issue, to be honest. And for simple things like skipping a track, it would be a lot easier for me personally if I could just go. I do miss that now, I will be honest. The sound's good, as expected with AirPods and AirPods Pro. I mean, I would say that they're on par sound-wise with AirPods Pro in terms of how good the quality is. It is well balanced, and I can already tell just listening to songs on my Apple Music. I can tell spatial audio is very much present on these AirPods, which I really like, to be honest. I like spatial audio. It's really cool. Although I'll be honest, sometimes when I'm on a phone call or if I'm on, say, like Twitter Spaces or something with the guys, sometimes people could be talking in a room, and with spatial audio, it's really weird because I could be listening to somebody talking and it would be as if somebody is over there, and then the next minute somebody else will talk and it's like it's coming from behind me, and it's like, you're like, what? So it's pretty cool. I really like spatial audio. It's really good. All the normal AirPods features are working perfectly. Remove the bud, pauses, put it back in, it plays. One thing I have noticed, and this is an issue I personally do have with AirPods Pro. Apple have introduced, and they didn't announce this at the keynote, which I find very strange, because it's a big improvement, if I'm being truthfully honest. Sometimes when I'm listening, or if I'm using my AirPods, and if I take them out and if my case isn't close to me, I'll put them in my pocket, and when I put them in my pocket, the little sensors on AirPods Pro detect that they're covered, and then they just resume playing music. And then what would happen to me is I would take the AirPods out of my pocket, put them back into my ear after I remembered about them, and then discover, oh, the batteries are flat because they've been playing in my pocket and I didn't even realise. Now, Apple have added to the AirPods 3 skin detect sensors, which basically means the AirPods will detect the presence of skin before it will resume playing. So for example, if I have these playing, like now, and I take these out of my ears, and if I cover them up loosely in my hand, you can see there, it's playing, right? So it's detected skin in my hand. So if I take these pods and put them in my pocket, oh look, yeah, it's paused. That is something that was desperately needed, and I'll be truthfully honest, up until I have seen these on these pods, I didn't even know that's something I needed. That's awesome. That is awesome. Out of my pocket, straight back into my ear, and we're playing. That's awesome. It's the little things. It's the little things. I will say, for these pods, not having those silicone tips, because personally for me, I do find the AirPods Pro extremely comfortable with those tips, and I can sit with the AirPods Pro in my ears for hours. These are just as comfortable, and that's 100% honest. Even original AirPods, just sort of here at my ear canal, I used to sort of get irritated. They used to sort of irritate me a wee bit, and I'd have to take them out. But these are really comfortable. I dig them. I really do. The case is now also still charges by lightning, standard, but the case not only is wireless charging, but it's Magsafe compatible as well. I don't know if that's a deal breaker for you or not, but if you want to stick your AirPods to a Magsafe stand, cool, great. Apple might as well take advantage of it, to be honest. These new AirPods will have all the features that all the existing AirPods will have. They will pair to all of your Apple devices across your entire iCloud. So if you have iPhone, iPad, MacBook, Apple Watch, Apple TV, anything within your ecosystem, AirPods, you'll be able to switch flawlessly over to them with no issues whatsoever. I was sort of skeptical as to whether or not they would stay in my ear without those tips with this smaller design, but on a closer inspection, the design is different and they do fit really, really well. Again, the fit might not be for everybody, so if you aren't sure before you buy them, go into the Apple store. Apple do have the ability to let you try them on. You know, they do have test ones there which they sanitize and clean and allow you to test them. So try them out, see if they're a good fit. Why not? Guys, that just about wraps it up for this video. It is what it is. They're AirPods. They do exactly what they say in the tin. I hope you liked it. And if you did, smash that like button for me. Really, really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Massively helps me out in the channel. The support in the channel has grown so much and I can't thank you guys enough. I really can't. And if you haven't already, tech giveaway is still live. We're into the final week now of our tech giveaway, so if you haven't entered, go and watch this video, get entered into the tech giveaway, and you'll be in with the chance to win some cool stuff. Great. And until the next one, guys, I'll catch you later.